Boris Johnson and a garden party resulting in what we're seeing as a political crisis there. What is the impact on the sterling, in particular with the effect that the BOE is expected to be starting to hike rates as well as soon as next month?
I think like the way we think about the sterling, again, from a medium-term point of view, we are relatively constructive. In the short run, obviously political risks have gone up, and especially gets a little vulnerable, especially given how it's rallied for recent weeks. So you could say that in the short run, it kind of takes a little bit of a breather, maybe even moderates if markets judge political risks to have risen sharply. But I think that's not going to delay or derail the overall appreciation path which we expect for the rest of this year.
What do you think about the euro across the channel, not so far away, given that the ECB is still quite, compared to a lot of other central banks around the world, still quite doggedly dovish? That's
right. So I think, yes, the ECB is likely to go slow. And if anything, it's more of a 2023 story. That said, they're also going to be running off their balance sheet, which is going to support the euro. If you look at rate differentials, given just modest pricing for Europe, something around 17 basis points compared to about 77 in the US, you would think that rate differentials are not really going to weigh on the euro going forward. The other thing we see is that growth differentials are going to be slightly favorable for Europe this year, and that's probably also going to help the euro appreciate. So in some sense, we've got the euro appreciating another few percentage points from here, ending the year close to 119. And if I'm not mistaken, that's quite a non-consensus view there.